What's up, Royals? Today we're going to give you a small tour of the office area right here on campus. As a senior myself, I didn't know what a lot of these places were for the longest time, and I needed some sort of guide to get me places, and that's what we're going to do for you guys today. To get the ball rolling, to our right, we have the administration office. Inside, you'll find it to be the workspace for faculty members you may already be familiar with. They're all here to help you guys if you have any questions, so feel free to stop in at any time. Heading straight out from the administration office, we'll walk towards a small window leading to the accounting office. You'll be able to speak with the accountant to pay for your dues in CSF, NHS, or to pay for your AP tests. If you keep going straight after that, you'll find the library. The library is a landmark here on campus. It's open before school, during snack, during lunch, and after school. And before school, it even hosts tutoring with many of the teachers that you may be having now. Leaving the same way you entered, if you look right, you'll see the guidance office. Your counselor is willing to answer any questions that you may have. This can be regarding schedule changes, academic opportunities, and if you're like me, a senior in high school, you know I definitely ask about college applications. If you're struggling with mental health or want to know more about it, you can also ask these questions here. If you're curious about campus current events, then you're in the right place, where we have current events plastered around boards, all inside the lobby area. Here at Quartz, we're all respectful, unstoppable leaders who are engaged. It's become a sort of campus tradition to put what you're committed to for college on a small piece of paper and hang it up on the walls of the office. Thanks for tuning in. This is all for now, but be sure to walk around the office with this newfound